In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Find My iPhone grayed out problem. So this is a simple thing to do. The first thing we need to do once we are on our main homepage here, you want to head over to settings. And then the first thing we now need to do is we want to locate Face ID and passcode. Click on this. And then you want to enter in your passcode. So once we enter in our passcode, you have got different options here. So if we scroll down, you will then see an option for stolen device protection. Now this is currently on. So if we click on this, you then want to toggle this off. So once we toggle this off, as you can see, there is a stolen device protection. So once you toggle this off, what you might encounter is you might encounter a security protection. Now what you will need to do is you will need to verify this and just wait around 1 hour for this to be done. Now once this is done, this will allow us to move on to the next step. So the next step is to head on back. And then if we go all the way back to our main settings page and then click on our Apple ID. Once we select our Apple ID, you can simply scroll down until you see the option for Find My. Click on this. And then as you can see, there is now an option for Find My iPhone. Click on Find My iPhone, and then as you'll notice, you are now able to toggle this off. So if we toggle this off, what you will now notice is the only thing left to do is enter in your password to confirm that you want to turn off Find My iPhone. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.